Hello, I'd like to welcome you to the CAMCO new registration tutorial video. My name is Ann Wright, and I'm the marketing coordinator here at CAMCO. Today I'll be taking you step by step through the new registration process in order for you to access the great resources we provide on the CAMCO website. First, we'll start on the home page. So with your mouse, navigate to the upper right-hand corner of the page and click New Registration. We'll be working under the Members Only Account Registration column for the duration of this tutorial. So go ahead and click in the field box under Username. This is where you have the opportunity to create your very own username. So think of something you'll easily remember. For example, the capital letter of your first name, followed by your entire last name, and maybe a number. Something to also keep in mind is that no special characters will be allowed in your username. After you've created a username for your account, you can either mouse click or use the Tab key to navigate to the first name text box, and there you'll enter your first name. Then do the same to enter your last name in the last name text box below. Then tab to the clinic, hospital, agency name text box and enter the name of your facility. After you've filled in all the previous text boxes, you will need to enter your client ID. This is basically a code comprised of 10 letters and or numbers that you should have received in your new membership or renewal information. If you're having difficulty locating this number, please call our toll-free number at 1-800-232-2259, and a CAMCO Member Services staff member will be more than happy to assist you. If you do have access to your client ID, go ahead and enter it at this time. And be sure to enter all 10 letters and or numbers of your client ID into this text box. Navigate to the email text box and enter your email address, and then proceed to the password text box to create a password for your account. Keep in mind the password requirements as stated at the top of this registration page states a minimum of 8 characters, at least 1 being an alpha and 1 numeric character. No special characters will be accepted. And then go ahead and re-enter that password in the Confirm Password text box. If you're a policyholder of this CAMCO account, select Yes from the Policyholder Services Access dropdown. Otherwise, you can simply leave the dropdown on No. And proceed to the Enter Security Code text box and enter the combination of letters and or numbers to the right of this box. Finally, click the Register button below. At this point, the screen should tell you that your account has successfully been created, and it will ask you to enter the username and password you have created for this account. You will also receive an email with your username and password information sent to the email address you provided while registering. You can log on at the top of this web page or on this page itself. So go ahead and enter your username and password in one of these places and click the Log On button. Once you're logged on, you should see Welcome and your name at the upper right of your screen next to the Sign Out button. If you are not logged on and need to change your password, click New Registration located at the top right corner of the home page. On the Member Account page, look to the right side of the page where you will notice the Reset Password section. Click in the text box next to Username and enter your username you created for this account. Tab or click to the next box next to Email and enter the email address you used for this account. Enter your client ID in the next text box. Then create a new password and confirm password. Click the Reset Password button. The screen will then confirm your password was changed successfully and then request you to log in with your username and new password. You can log in at the right under Member Login or at the top of the page. If you're having difficulty locating your client ID or username, call our toll-free number at 1-800-232-2259, and a CAMCO Member Services staff member will be more than happy to assist you.